Welcome to another episode of K. Charles Couture, travel prep vlog, sewing last minute outfits and mannequin struggles. In this episode, you will see K. Charles try to remember a dress she saw and recreate the look. She can't remember what she went to another room for half the time, and she thinks she's going to remember how to design a dress. This should be interesting.
So I'm working on this new design using muslin. Normally muslin is just a test fabric. You cut, pin, slash, toss, repeat. But listen, fabric isn't cheap, and I'm not about to waste it.
I am glad I was able to find this muslin in my stash of fabrics.
And I don't want to have to wait on Amazon Driver to get here to finish my project.
And based off my mental picture of the dress, I won't have to use much muslin, and hopefully I won't have to do a lot of cuts. That way I'll be able to use it again for another project.
With Joann's being closed, it's harder to get it as easy when you can't run into the store and pick it up. I'm using an army green woven material that I think will give me the look I desire. I'm using a sundress pattern by Simplicity, 9688.
This is a trick I use when I don't want to cut my muslin. I will make a fake waistband, and then I'll use a ribbon or some type of elastic, and then I can just pin it onto my mannequin, and then I'll be able to use it again. So as you can see right here, you see it's pinned all the way across. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab me some binding strips, put it inside, and then I'll be able to use that. Now that I have the binding strip inside of the fake waistband I just put together, I can actually use that and tie it onto my mannequin. And now when I'm pinning, I can pin directly into that binding cord instead of my mannequin. Again, this is just a tip if you want to use your muslin and don't have to cut it as much. Again, I know, like I said before, we normally just get it, cut it, and throw it away or use it for something else. But Joann's is not around anymore, so it's not as easy to go to the store and get it. And I'm just doing a few adjustments because I do know what I want the dress to look like. This is going to sit low on my waistband, so my back is going to be out. And I like the way that this is looking. So I know that when I'm using the real material, that this is about how much material I need to actually use. And now that I got the back skirt of the dress together, let's start working on the front panels. Now, draping has always been on my things to do list, but no time like the present.
So I drape it in a way that I can actually reuse it later. And the best part,
and I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot. I think for this to be the first project where I've actually had to drape, I am doing a really good job. I see how it's coming out, and I know what it's going to look like.
the look is actually coming out exactly how I wanted. I'm gonna be using Vua, but I'm going to modify the pattern of the dress so that it will still have the drawstring at the top. But on one side of the dress, I'm going to be putting a bathing bikini top, which I got the pattern from Burda. The plan is to have both drawstrings meet at the back of the neck like originally on the dress, but with a bathing suit bikini top. So the back of the dress will have two strings. One will be at the top of the neck. I'm gonna have one string attached to the side of the dress. which will be tied and the other one will just be one string going around the back to the side of the dress. I'm thinking about using either snaps or some type of button.
And going off my memory, I'm telling you, I'm doing a really good job. I am really liking what I'm seeing. It may not be the exact replica of what I remember, but it doesn't matter. It'll be even better because it'll be my own design, made just for me. And that's one of my sole purposes for sewing anyhow. I like to be tailor-made and I like to stand out from the crowd. I don't want to have on anything someone else is already wearing.
Which in sewing language basically means, the sewing gods are smiling on me today. And since my mannequin doesn't have legs, this muslin is really doing all the heavy lifting. It's like, don't worry sis, I got you. Meanwhile, I'm over here hoping this design looks just as good on me as it does in my head.